Welcome, chessmates! Today, we're diving into one of the oldest and most classic chess openings, the Italian game. Also known as Giuoco Piano, which means quiet game in Italian, if I pronounced it correctly. This opening has been played for over 500 years and remains a favorite among beginners and grandmasters alike. Let's break it down. The Italian opening begins with these key moves: e4, e5. Both sides push their king's pawn to squares. Knight f3, knight c6. White develops the knight, attacking the pawn on e5. Black defends with their own knight. Bishop c4, bishop c5. White brings out the bishop to c4, eyeing the weak f7 pawn. Black mirrors with bishop c5. This is the starting position of the Italian game. White's plan is to control the center, prepare castling, and eventually launch an attack, often targeting f7, the weakest point in Black's camp early on. Now, let's look at some key variations and ideas. Giuoco Piano, or quiet game. If both sides play calmly, White may push d3 and castle, leading to slow strategic play. Evans Gambit, a sharp option where White sacrifices a pawn with b4 to accelerate development and open lines. Fried liver attack, an aggressive line where White sacrifices a knight to rip open Black's position. The Italian opening is flexible. You can play it for solid positional play or sharp tactical battles. Many legends have used this opening, from Greco in the 1600s to modern players like Magnus Carlsen. It's a timeless weapon in chess. Want to master the Italian opening? Try it in your next game and see how it works for you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more chess content. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite chess opening. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.